How to get Telegram account without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can get Telegram account without phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically get Telegram account without phone number, so you can see right off the bat when I open up Telegram, the very first thing it asks me to do is to simply enter my phone number. So I have no other choice other than entering my phone number. That is because Telegram functions because of phone number and they don't use emails, so that just to avoid bots and so on. So basically if you have this, you should be able to do it. Now if you don't have a real phone number, do not worry, because there are still some apps and services that offers you virtual phone number that you can use. So if you don't have a real phone number, you can use a virtual phone number, which unfortunately I can't mention them in this video, but I'll make sure to drop a few links below. They are completely legal, safe. You can use those virtual phone numbers, verify the OTP code, and you can get a Telegram account. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.